All right, Putri. Let me summarize what we have agreed so far.
Sure, please go ahead.
First, we will redistribute some of the non-engineering tasks, especially routine system maintenance.
Yes, and I will continue supervising the interns only until the end of this quarter.
Correct. After that, another team member will take over the supervision role.
That's match my understanding as well.
In addition, you will still provide support during critical system issues when necessary.
Yes, but only on an as needed basis, not as a daily responsibility.
Exactly. We will also review the workload arrangement again after 3 months.
That sounds fair to me.
Okay, so to confirm, are you really satisfied with this revised work redistribution?
Yes, I am satisfied and I'm willing to proceed under this condition.
Okay, good. I appreciate your openness and professionalism throughout this discussion.
Thank you for listening and being flexible. I appreciate it as well.
Let us move forward with this agreement and stay in communication.
Okay, agreed. Thank you once again.